Hello developers and welcome to Code India. Today we are embarking on a journey, the Frappe Framework Installation Quest. This is a step-by-step guide specifically for our Ubuntu adventurers. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional development environment ready to build amazing apps. Here is your quest map. We will conquer this installation in 5 main levels. We start by gearing up with prerequisites, then we move to system prep. We will tame the database, power up with Node.js, and finally, defeat the final boss, the bench CLI. Level 1, gear up. Before we write any code, we need to ensure your system is ready. This guide is tailored for Ubuntu 22.04 or higher. You will need Python 3.10 plus, mariadb 10.6 plus, and Node.js 18. We also need the wk-html-tube-def engine for generating reports. Level 2 is system prep. Let's get your Ubuntu system updated. First, run sudo apt update to refresh your package index. Next, we install the core tools. The command you see on screen installs Git, Python, Redis, and the mariadb-server all at once. Pause the video here and run this command. Now, we enter level 3, taming the database. This is crucial. After installing mariadb, you must secure it. Run mariadb-secure-installation. Follow the prompts and set a strong root password. Quest tip: remember this password. You will need it very soon. We are still in level 3. We need to configure mariadb for proper character encoding. Important note, if you are installing Frappe version 15.21 or newer, you can actually skip this step. But for older versions, edit your my.cnf file and add the configuration lines shown here to ensure full UTF-8 support. Then restart the service. Level 4, power up. We need to manage our front-end packages. We will use NVM, the Node version manager, for a flexible setup. First, install NVM using the curl command. Then simply run nvm install 18. Verify it by checking the Node version. It should say v18. Finally, install the yarn package manager globally. It is time for a side quest, PDF magic. To generate PDF reports inside your Frappe apps, we need a tool called wkml-topdef. First, install the dependencies like libmariadb-config. Then, download the specific .deb package for your Ubuntu version from the link on the screen and install it using dpkg. We have reached the final boss, the bench CLI. Bench is your command center for everything Frappe. We use pip to install it. Run pip install Frappe bench. If your terminal says command not found after installing, don't panic. You just need to add the local bin directory to your system path using the export command shown here. Wait, a wild error appears. If you see an externally managed environment error, don't worry. It is a common trap. You have 2 options to defeat it. Option 1 is the quick fix. Simply add the flag --break-system-packages. Option 2 is the pro move. Use UV, a modern isolated package installer. Victory. Congratulations. You have successfully installed bench. Now it is time to claim your reward. Navigate to your home directory and run bench init followed by your folder name. This will pull the framework and build your workspace. A new adventure awaits. Your environment is ready. What will you build first? In the upcoming videos, we will tackle the next quests: creating your first app, creating a new site, and building custom doc types. Ready to level up? If you successfully completed this quest, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to Code India for the next tutorial. Let's build something amazing together.